Let's go.
Another day, another cafe hopping scenes.
Well, welcome to Kari Karwa. This is your host Harsh Gandhi.
And I'm Riya Turakhya.
And today we're trying the best filter coffee in Mumbai. And for the first part, we are in Matunga. And the first spot is Arya Bhavan.
Yes.
And we're trying a couple of other spots, but we'll show you that in the video later on. But for now, let's go to the first spot itself.
Let's go.
और रिया जी सुबह 7 बजे उठ के आ गए हम यहाँ पे.
Sleepy तो है, but इसीलिए coffee.
5 of them.
5 of them.
Because एक समय
All
शांति
the
नहीं
best
मिलती है.
to our stomachs, I feel.
Honestly, yeah, I thought about having 5 filter coffee and feeling anxiety was the second best thing which I felt.
Yeah.
First was excitement. So,
Exactly.
तो आर्या भवन आ गए हम.
Yes.
First spot of the day. We've ordered
Medu vada, tatte idli, and onion podi dosa, and 2 filter coffee.
yes.
Let's go.
और उसमें से रिव्यू सिर्फ हम फिल्टर कॉफी करने वाले हैं. बाकी सब हम फन के लिए कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
Just for the culture.
Just for the culture and
Yes.
breakfast.
Nice.
So. Thank you. Oh.
Nice.
बाकी इसके ऊपर चली ना मैं तो थैंक यू.
सबसे पहले कॉफी.
हाँ.
कॉफी.
बहुत
Yeah.
गर्म है, मैं तो नहीं सिप कर पाऊंगी. You know me. I'll wait for good 15 minutes for this to.
हाँ देखो तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा
हाँ.
फिर तो. ये हॉट कॉफी मंगा के कोल्ड पीती है.
Lukewarm.
Usually, yeah.
Lukewarm is the word.
नहीं. That's what she does.
चलो,
Hi.
let's go.
Let's go. Let's start off with coffee.
Cool. नहीं, कॉफी तो नहीं हो पाएगा.
नहीं हो पाएगी.
Fork is the right choice of.
For idli.
Yeah.
कहाँ भाई?
Because then you can sit like this.
न्यूयॉर्क में खा रही है क्या तू इडली?
Had better.
You've had better that idli.
For sure.
धीरे बोल यार. पहला बाइट लेके all guns blazing. Had better. I don't like this. अच्छा है यार. All of this is great. Let's go to
Coffee.
the main act of the day, which is the filter coffee. Yes, let's go.
For this thing.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I've had better.
Not it for me.
I've had better.
Yeah. Same.
Yeah. Damn.
Definitely not it.
First
for
coffee of the day, wasn't it?
Me. It did not coffee the way it should coffee.
Yeah. Rate it. Rate it. I'm तो honestly in
2
on 10.
2 on 5. Sorry, मतलब 4 on 10.
4 on 10. Rough start of the day.
Yeah.
I think it is, I don't know if it's today with Arya Bhavan or I don't know. But
I'm
it is
having
like
it for the first time and
5 on 10 bro. 5. It's a very mediocre coffee. I've had much better ones.
much better.
I make like better ones at home. I think we should just move on to the next one. I
Yeah.
don't have any, like it's disappointing at this point.
Yeah. It's like.
On to the next one. Let's go.
So we are at the second place now, which is Ramashrey, and Harsh is ordering right now. We just came from Arya Bhavan. That was quite a disappointment. So I really hope that this coffee hits. So let's see if it does or not. What are your expectations from this coffee?
This coffee better hit वरना मैं थोड़ा angry mode में जाने वाला हूँ. क्योंकि I really want a coffee which is good.
Apparently, according to Harsh, Arya Bhavan की अच्छी कॉफी होती है.
पता नहीं यार आज गलत साइड पे उठे या पता नहीं गाय की जगह भैंस का दूध आ गया. I don't know, but like it didn't hit and this better hit and I want a strong coffee.
Yeah.
क्योंकि वो खाना खा लिया बट वो कॉफी का हिट हुआ नहीं है ऐसे.
Have you had this before?
Ramashrey, yes.
How was it last time?
I don't remember. I came here last 3 years back. So it's been a while. हाँ मैं बोलने नहीं वाला हूँ कि अच्छा था last time क्योंकि अच्छा था. But I think the coffee is done. I'll just get it.
Look at it.
है गरम है. क्या करेगी एक्स्ट्रा कप का?
Sure, hot coffee
ऐसे
है
तो वो
भाई.
करने वाली है.
हाँ.
दे.
क्यों?
करेगा ना?
नहीं क्यों?
गिरेगा.
Aesthetics के लिए चाहिए.
ये ले cheers.
हाँ?
Cheers.
Cheers. गरम नहीं है.
थोड़ी सी है.
But this is good, yeah.
Damn good.
Okay, so before rating this, what are your parameters for a good coffee?
Strong, not too sweet. Should have the authentic filter coffee taste.
Agree with the first point and the last point, but has to
हाँ,
be
not
equally
to. हाँ,
sweet.
मेरा वो थोड़ा अलग है.
Yeah,
You
has
know
to be
this.
equally
They
sweet.
also know this at this point.
Yeah, I'm sure.
But नहीं यार.
Like I like a good balance of strong and sweet. I
But this
cannot
has a
have
good
only
balance.
Strong. Yeah,
This has a good balance.
True.
It's not too sweet. It's not too strong as well.
Yeah.
Solid 8 on 10 for me, honestly. Solid 8 on 10 for me.
I really like this. Same. 8.
8?
8.
Yeah, it's good.
I really
35
like
rupees for the coffee. That's good. Last place पे कितना था? Oh shit, we didn't check. But I'll put it in.
Yeah.
Zomato से देखूँ क्या. But yeah, damn good यार. For 35,
this.
good quantity. Very nice. Oh, wow. Nice.
Happy Dance
Fun.
has entered the chat.
Happy dancers entered
Yeah.
after like 2 days.
After
मजा
2
तो है.
days.
अच्छा तो है. And with that, we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah. Let's go.
On to the third one.
Yes.
बताओ.
Madras
How you
Cafe.
feeling?
So what are your expectations, sir?
यार I have been to this as well. Majorly because हम खाने आए थे.
हाँ.
It wasn't much more specified for filter coffee last time when I came.
Okay.
खाना was
But
good.
did you have filter coffee?
I did have filter coffee.
How was it?
It was good. It was good. It was
Now we'll
strong.
test that.
It was very similar to Ramashray. Very similar.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I think a little more stronger than Ramashray.
Okay.
And a little more expensive as well.
Okay.
Because that is like a street joint.
हाँ, fair.
Or Cafe Madras is like a restaurant, like a
Right.
sit-down restaurant with AC.
Okay.
So it is gonna be a little more expensive.
Of course.
But I think for my expectation, I think it's gonna be the same as Ramashray.
Okay.
See, worst तो हमने देख लिया आज. उससे कम तो नहीं जाने वाले हम.
I
I'm
hope
sure.
so.
I'm sure.
I
I'm
really
sure,
hope so.
यार.
Yeah,
We
from the
can't.
places I think all of the other places
Yeah.
I've been to.
Same.
Yeah,
Like
I've
all
been
of
to
the other places
two
we've been
places,
to.
so yeah, I can vouch for those.
And even this
For
you will
sure.
like only. Just like every other South Indian joint around the corner. Like Mani's is here. DP Fast Food is here.
Money is the same one.
No, different wala.
Okay.
Mani's in Kandivali is different than Mani's in Matunga.
Okay.
But like very similar. Mani's has the same filter coffee.
Huh.
Even DP has a very damn good filter coffee.
That
But
is
all
why
of them
I
are
was
like.
not able to understand why did they go wrong with filter coffee in the very first
Are
place.
one, na?
Yeah,
Yeah,
how
that's
could
what.
they
That
go
is
wrong
also
with
my
that?
concern.
I mean, yeah.
But it was shocking for us as well.
हाँ.
क्योंकि हम expect नहीं करेंगे आर्य भवन से.
Exactly.
And I have been to
I
Arya
mean, not
Bhavan.
that I've been to that place before, but I've heard about
But
it.
I have been to
काफी
Arya
अच्छा
Bhavan
है.
and it was amazing last time.
Yeah.
Not amazing, but it was like good 7.5. It wasn't as
This
bad
time it
as
was,
like
yeah,
4.
4.
तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा गलत हो गया है
हाँ. But ठीक है.
Oh yes.
ठीक है.
Hopefully this
Yeah.
one will not let us down. And even
Really hope so.
Madras Cafe के exact सामने there is another restaurant
हाँ.
which I am not recalling the name.
Okay.
I think I'll just check it out.
हाँ.
Mani's के corner से सामने ही है. And it's also a very popular place. Very popular joint as well.
Achha.
So we're gonna go over there. I'm gonna tell you what the name is, and if possible, we'll just get another coffee from there as well. So why not? Let's go.
And add on.
Well, third place.
Third place. So
Cafe Madras.
We are at Cafe Madras. We already have the coffee in our hands.
This was 50 rupees a cup.
Yeah. And the cup is also the quantity.
Its
is
quantity
good.
is good.
Yeah.
Ramashray was 35.
Like
Yeah.
this is the third coffee of.
In like One and a half hour.
one and a
Third
half
coffee
hour.
in 1.5 hours. I feel good, honestly. Cheers. 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 Ah, yes, sir.
Hit ने मुझे गरम लगा.
Yes, sir. I like it. I really like it. Bro, this is good, yaar. This is today's best for me. क्योंकि less amount of sugar, very strong, hot,
Yeah.
authenticity is on peak. Lovely. I love
The
it.
amount of
I love
taste
it.
that I got
Sorry.
first sip में.
Have a
उससे मैं ये बोल
better
सकती
sip.
हूँ कि it's a strong one.
Yeah. Nice, na?
Yeah.
I love it.
It's
too good.
perfect for people who love strong coffee.
Yeah.
Like it's perfect.
I think for me it is 9. Strength is
Yeah,
It's
strength
strong.
Is good.
Sweetness
Strength
is less.
Yeah.
Authenticity is there.
There.
It's there. I'm just not giving it a 9.5 because I'm hoping that the rest two places will be 9.5. But yeah, this is nothing less than 9.5. But just to be safe, I'm giving it a 9. Yeah.
Good 8 for me.
Yeah.
Again, a good 8 for me.
Till now, what is like your top 3?
Madras Cafe.
Madras is your
Yeah.
top.
Because I'm thinking from a filter coffee perspective, not from my taste perspective.
Yeah.
Does not make
Yeah.
sense कि सिर्फ sweetness
तुझे अच्छा लगा इसके लिए, हाँ.
हाँ सिर्फ sweetness
You
को
gave
बहुत
8
overpower
to
करूँ.
Ramashray
So that
and
way
this,
I think
na?
Madras Cafe.
You gave 8 to the last two.
Yeah, both of
And then
the
Arya
three.
Bhavan you gave 4.
हाँ, but I think this one would hit अगर सुबह if you have this.
Your
Yeah,
day is
it
gonna
will
go
just-
very nice.
It will
Yeah.
just hit differently as compared to Ramashray and Arya Bhavan.
Yeah.
So this one, Madras Cafe.
Mine is very simple. This I gave 9.
हाँ. तेरा तो
Ramashray was 8.
rating
And
नहीं-
then, yeah, and then Arya
rating
Bhavan
नहीं
was 5 for today.
Yeah.
For today. I'm specifying for today because I've had it before and it was a letdown today. But with that, I think we're
right,
done
right.
with all of the cafes which are going to Matunga. We are on to my favorite one.
Yeah.
It's like my comfort place for South Indian food, for anything. If I'm craving a podi idli, that is the first place I'll go to. If I'm craving a filter coffee, that is the first place I'll go to. So yeah, we're going to my favorite place.
Favorite one right now.
From-
Then we'll go to my favorite one.
Yeah,
Then
from
we'll rate 5 में से the best.
from Matunga all the way to Villepale West. Let's go.
Let's go.
Well, on to the next one. We are on the 4th place. We've gone to 3 places, had 4 coffees actually. I'm a little shaky, I'm a little energetic, and we are on to my favorite place, which is Dakshinayan. I always come over here whenever I think of podi idli or anything South Indian, honestly, or even filter coffee in that matter, because this is very close to my place, and this was also the place where I understood and I came to try podi idlis for the first time. So this is like a very comfort place, which is Dakshinayan. I'm gonna make Riya try Molga Podi idli for the first time. I think she has come over here before, but I think she has just had filter coffee and a dosa. But this is the first time that she's gonna have a Molga Podi idli. So I'm very excited. Let's try some food and let's see how it ranks on our table. Let's go. Damn, this is my favorite place to come to. I love this place. Every time I crave South Indian place, I just come over here. I was just telling them how this is like my favorite South Indian place to come to. Yeah, anytime I'm thinking of, especially podi. If I want anything podi like thatte, podi idli or like Molga podi idli,
This would be.
Dakshinayan is the place to come. So yeah,
Dakshinayan is like
Actually, I
OG
want to-
South Indian thing, no?
yeah. And all of the, like, if you come here on Sundays, the entire place is just filled with like families having like dinner, even like the entire of Sunday actually, even the mornings.
I've been here once.
Fair
only.
warning, it is loaded with ghee.
Love it.
Yeah,
Love
it has every bite of it has ghee.
Love king.
Yeah. Le lo. Start.
This has by now become a South
And
Indian
this
food
chutney, yeah.
review kind of a thing only and not just limited to coffees.
Bro, I know, right?
This is actually loaded with ghee. Oh.
Highlight of the video. Cheers. Smells good. It's great. It's always Arya Bhavan kya? Dakshinayan has always been consistent with this also. Yeah, with this also. I've never tasted anything different every time I order Malgapalli idli. It's good. I'll give this 8.5, right between Ramashray and Cafe Madras. Perfect है. Cafe Madras जितना strong भी नहीं है कि मुझे वो
For me, it
वो
would
hit
be
हो.
after Ramashray. So I think 7-ish, 7.5. 7.5.
Good.
Yeah.
It's
I would prefer Ramashray
हाँ.
one over this.
but the balance is the same as Ramashray.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Like
saying.
the-
Consistency
yeah.
and all, yes, I agree. But overall taste-wise, any day, I personally would prefer Ramashray over this. So 7.5-ish.
I preferred this over Ramashray because
Yeah.
I'm a little biased also.
हाँ.
I come here too often.
Favorite place.
Yeah. Well, we are done over here. Now we are on to the last and the final restaurant for today, which is Riya's favorite place.
Let's see if it lives up to the hype.
Yes.
Bene. So we are at Bene Cafe right now, and this is like my personal favorite. This is the last place we are at.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Over
I made him
caffeinated.
try this 2 weeks back. I
Yeah.
think.
2 weeks back we came here for the first time.
He was
I
a
came here for the
fan,
first time.
to say the least. But I really hope that the coffees are as good today as well.
Yeah.
And we're going to try 2 coffees.
Yeah,
2 different
we've done like
coffees
iced filter coffee and the hot
and
one.
the hot one. And this place is always so crowded.
Bro, it's insane. It's insane. Like it's a Tuesday morning and it is 11 in the morning.
And it's so crowded right now.
And we had to wait in a line for 5 minutes and then there's already another line after us. Nice. I'm happy now. Should we begin? Should we? Iced first?
Ice first. मतलब आइस में टेक्निकली ये करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती for the feel.
Just for the feel. Cheers.
And your garlic toast will come in the next batch. 7 to 8 minutes.
Bro, it's so good.
It's not as good as that.
I like it. Which? As good as?
The
Madras?
last time we
Yeah,
had
yeah,
it.
Oh, Madras say you're comparing or last time we had it? It's the same. Feels the same to me at least. Very nice. I still liked it.
I like
loved
it because
Yeah.
I am biased towards men in general. But I don't
You want to do
think
the hot one as well?
it's not hitting the way it hit last time.
ये लो.
नहीं मुझे वो दे क्योंकि वो थोड़ा कम गरम जल्दी होगा.
वो तो है. Let's go. Hot ones.
मैंने
Hot ones. Hot ones. Let's go. One sip only.
Filter coffee for 114.
कुछ आया ही नहीं मुझे फोम ही आया सिर्फ बबल्स आए.
I don't know.
It's good.
I think by evening they make better filter.
वैसे रोस्ट होता रहता है रात तक. It's honestly the same taste. One is just iced, one is just hot. Honestly, it's the same taste.
Iced and the hot
Yeah.
coffee have the same exact taste.
I prefer the iced one now, just because we've had too many hot ones. That's all. But the taste remains the same.
Two places serve iced
Yeah,
filter
yeah. Rate it.
today personally. Hard 5.5. 6. It's not. It's not because I've had Beneki filter coffee for good
Nah.
5-6 times now, and I can tell you, I can vouch for it. It is so much better.
Hot कौन सा है, cold
Today
कौन सा
only,
है?
but apart from that, I honestly like this was the recommendation, and I'm so disappointed. But I would definitely suggest you to try it out. But today it's not hitting as much. I feel it's 5.56 for me.
Crazy, bro.
And
I will give it an 8.5. Just below Madras Cafe.
yeah,
Just below. Like very barely below, but like just below Madras Cafe.
so my recommendation
Madras Cafe was
is good.
insane though.
Ah.
Recommendation: you should try the iced filter coffee.
Yeah,
Uh,
love it.
yeah. Honestly, if it was, you know what? It's a 9. Sorry, it's a Cafe Madras and Bene is.
If this one is 9, I think on any other day it would be a proper 10.
Yeah, it's one of the best. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's one. I told you last time we came. Yeah. You gave 5.5. Shut
But
up.
I'm
You didn't.
disappointed today. That's what I'm saying. I gave 5.5 and I'm sticking
But
to
it's the
it.
same taste. As
It's not.
I think you
It is not.
have some water, bro. I
I-
think your taste is saturated at this point. Have some dosa, then try it again.
Trust me. No. I know what Benny
No, please try it.
coffee tastes
5.5 is.
like. I know what Benny coffee
That's very
tastes
less.
like. मैंने कितने टाइम बाद काऊ देखी है बैंड्रा
Bro. Crazy. Crazy. मजा आ गया. मजा आ गया. मजा आ गया. And that was it for the video. We've tried all of the best 5 places for filter coffee. And final ratings. Let's go. Let's start with.
Okay.
Let's do 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3.
Okay, done.
What's your number 5?
I think
it's the
it would
same.
be
It's the same.
Arya Bhavan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Arya Bhavan, 4 for her out of 10, 5 for me.
Yeah.
What's your
For
number
sure.
4?
Benedosa for today. Again for today, but Benedosa.
Okay, mine is Ramashray with 8, which is also like pretty high.
It is pretty high.
Yeah,
I
because
think
the rest
all
4 places were very damn good.
at
That's
par
why.
with each other.
Yeah, but
But-
4 for me is Ramashray.
Okay. For me, fourth would be Bene, as I said. Third would be Dakshinayan.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay.
What about you?
Third would be Dakshinayan for me as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Third would be Dakshinayan.
Yeah.
What's your second? Ramashray.
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 For
I knew
sure.
it.
Yeah.
Okay.
For sure.
For me, second would be this.
Okay.
And first place is again the same,
Madras
which is
Coffee.
Cafe
Madras
Madras.
Cafe, yeah.
That was
Yeah,
damn good.
That was like perfect filter coffee I
Yeah.
think I've had
Yeah.
today.
And like the difference of the points, honestly, the first to fourth is just because very less amount of margin. I think
Yeah.
second was 9 points for me. Dakshina was 8.5 for me.
Yeah.
Then again, Ramashray was 8.
Yeah.
So it's not that much of a difference. In 1 point, there are 4 places. So all of them are amazing. It just depends on what type of filter coffee you like. If you like it much sweeter, I think Ramashray
Ramashray
would
is
be the
perfect
it
one
for it.
you. Correct.
Even Bene would be great for you.
Huh.
If you like strong, intense coffee, I think you will have to agree with us with Cafe Madras.
Cafe Madras, for sure. For
Yeah.
sure. If you like strong coffee, for sure. And I feel for me, it was just today that Bene ranked pretty low
Yeah.
because it disappointed me.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Today. Yeah.
I think your palate just went off
maybe,
a little.
Maybe. But
Because it tasted the same for me. But fun day. Very
Yeah.
fun, jittery, high energy, hectic day. Let's go.
Let's go.
I think I'm not gonna have coffee for a bit.
I'm not going to have coffee for a good 5-6 days now.
No, I'll have it tomorrow. But like,
There's a coffee addict, of course.
but like
Of
a less
course.
amount of it, definitely. So that was it for the video. Please,
Like, comment, subscribe, share, all
Yes.
of the good stuff.
yes, please
Yeah.
hit the bell icon so that you get notified every single time we drop a video.
Yeah, we are going to drop
Yes.
a lot of reviews. And also, let us know if you want us to do something
Yeah.
specific. Yeah,
And share
would love
this
to-
video to a friend who loves their coffee, just like I do. So till then, we're gonna see you in the next one.
Bye.